Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price analysis XAU USD slips below $1,960 as US dollar pullback snaps 9-day winning streak. http ntvforex.com News ID D7B019 0555 GMT by Anil Panchal. Gold extends latest pullback from $1,968 to justify Wednesday's U-turn from $1,980.89. US dollar bounces off more than 2 years lows during the post-Fed trading. American Senate Leader McConnell cited chances of the fiscal stimulus announcement by the weekend. Coronavirus woes continue, but traders are more concerned about the US GDP for now. Gold prices declined to $1,957.12, down 0.65% on a day, during the pre-European session on Thursday. The bullion prints its first daily loss so far in 9 days as the US dollar pulls back from the lowest since June 2018. While there are few positives for the greenback, retracement after the Federal Reserve led losses and increasing hopes of aid package could be cited as second-tier triggers. On the contrary, surging coronavirus COVID-19 woes in the US and cautious mood ahead of the second quarter Q2 American GDP should ideally push markets for the risk safety. The US dollar index DXY marks 0.21% gains while rising to 93.46 by the press time. The greenback's gauge versus the major currencies slipped to the multi-week low of 93.17 the previous day after Fed matched market consensus with its dovish messages. While identifying the grave situations, U.S. Senate Leader Mitch McConnell triggered hopes of the decision on the unemployment claim benefits, which are to expire on Friday, before the week ends. The Republican diplomat also opens the door for a bit smaller relief package than the initial $1.0 trillion proposal earlier this week. Talking about the virus, the U.S. marked the highest daily death toll of 1,200 plus, taking the total to 665K, on Wednesday. The pandemic is also getting strong in China, Tokyo, and Australia, whereas the UK policymakers have rung alarms of Wave 2.0. It's worth mentioning that the global counts of the new cases cross 14.5 million, with the US contributing over 4.00 million to occupy the unfortunate place of a topper. Other than the USD moves, news from the World Gold Council WGC also negatively affects the bullion prices. The update conveys that one of the key gold customers, India, registered 56% slump in demand during the first 6 months, and further price increase could further push the buying southwards. Looking forward, traders will closely watch the US GDP figures as the first reading is expected to slump by 34.1% versus 5.0% previous readouts. If the actual outcome manages to offer positive surprise, the USD will have an additional reason to extend the pullback. Read US second quarter GDP preview. Are there any shocks left? Technical analysis. Unless providing a daily closing beyond $1,980, gold bulls are less likely to aim for $2,000, which in turn highlights the previous record high near $1,921 as immediate key support. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 1959.24. Today daily change. 12.21. Today daily change percent. 0.62%. Today daily open. 1971.45. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 1838.3. Daily SMA 50. 1775.77. Daily SMA 100. 1717.1. Daily SMA 200. 1625. Levels. Previous daily high. 1980.89. Previous daily low. 1941.58. Previous weekly high. 1906.68. Previous weekly low. 1805.86. Previous monthly high. 1785.91. Previous monthly low. 1670.76. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 1965.87. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 1956.6. Daily Pivot Point S1. 1948.39. Daily Pivot Point S2. 1925.33. Daily Pivot Point S3. 1909.08. Daily Pivot Point R1. 1987.7. Daily Pivot Point R2. 2003.95. Daily Pivot Point R3. 2027.01. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.